Hey guys, just got back from Long Lake. I didn't do an intro. Well, I did, but my action camera, I messed up on the audio real bad. But we did an overnight. It was a great weekend. For some reason, in my videos, I keep saying jackfish, but we went to Long Lake Provincial Park. We were sitting in 12 feet or something like that. Then we moved over to 18 or something like that. It's in the video on my Lawrence. But yeah, it was a good weekend. If you want to go check out the pike fishing there is non-stop. So if you want somewhere to go, lots and lots of pike, always biting there. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the vid. Always hit that like and subscribe button. If you like the content. Well, anyway, here's the vid. Bye. Our 6-man tent, guys. Eskimo. Well, some tools maybe, but I got it. Yeah. Give him a quick dunk. Just a little guy. A little breather. There you go, guys. First fish out here at Jackfish Lake Provincial Park. Doing overnight. This is our third pike for today. Just got set up. Yeah, let's get back at it. Hey guys, out at Long Lake here, just using the homemade tip-ups. See what we got on here. We were just setting up the tent for the overnight. Oh, got us another little pike here. Oh, just a tiny little guy. Oh, we'll cut it there. I gotta get my tools. Hey guys, got another little pike on here. Oh, just a skinny guy. Oh, you bit my rod. Look at that. Crazy. You're a savage. Oh, yeah, I'm going to need tools for this one. Another small guys, though. Alright, guys, let's get this guy a nice safe lift off here. One more drink. It's a nice little guy. Jackfish Lake, Provincial Park. Lots of action. Next one. Okay guys, we've got another little pike on, I do believe. Hopefully it's a walleye. We've been landing lots of dink pike. But let's take a gander here. Oh yeah, just a tiny little guy. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Oh, he ate it. Oh, not too shabby. My pliers. Nice little pike, you guys, on the... Anyway, it's on the fire tiger. Little, just jigging there for these little guys here. Hi, Jew. Jew likes smelling the fish. See you later. And another one bites the dust. Hey guys, let's see what we got here. What do we got, Jew? What do we got? On the homemade tip-up again. They are slaying today. Oh, there's my leader. Let's see what we got here. Oh, another pike, guys. He's all wrapped up. Ooh. Come on, let go. Oh, gotta love when you can do it with no tools, guys. Oh. And then he hooks himself on the tail. Real nice. Not a bad little pike, guys. Like I said, Long Lake, Provincial Park, Alberta. Sitting just a quick strike and a smelt. And here he goes. See you later, buddy. Peace. Oh, there they are. Still one in the background there, guys. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. Coming up after mine. Oh, here he comes. Oh, do not like the looks of it. I got a jig with a piece of minnow. She has a jig head. Glow in the dark jig head. But here it comes again. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, he missed it. And there's one in the background going after mine up here. Sorry about the glare, guys. I'm too lazy to get up and close the window, though. Oh, they dipped off. You can see there. Oh, there he is again. Look at. There he is right there. Just swimming by, checking stuff out. And there he goes again. Stopping down, checking him out. Oh, there comes another one up. Right up at mine. Maybe he'll hit. Oh no, he's going back down. Some good footage though. I can't believe there was 3 pike there like that. Alright guys, well. Oh, there's one in the background there. There's another one. Oh, it's just, oh. There's another one up in the background too, looking at mine. Crazy. Huh. He's just sitting there. Alright guys, I'm going to get to some jigging instead of letting my jigger do everything. But, alright. Oh, nice. He got, oh, right on. Well, guys, it's getting dark out, as you can see from the window. It's a lot weird how it looks so much brighter than it is. But anyway, it's getting dark out. We're on the night bite now. Got the old poochers in the back there. She's all cuddled in. Just loving her new bed. Got it at Cabela's. Really nice bed for her. And yeah, I got the old jigger going right there for me. I was just sitting back, gonna have cook some supper up. And yeah, we had a really good day though. Lots of pike. I didn't record a lot because there's a lot of dinky ones, so I just got a few on camera there. But hopefully we got a boob or some walleye tonight. Like I said, it's our first night trying the 6-eye, so you know, new caught, new gravity chair. So let's see if we get any bites. Oh, we'll see. Hold on a second. Fish coming up right when I did that. Look at that, guys. We'll see if he hits. Oh no, he went right back down. Aw, too bad. Oh, there's another one coming up, another smaller one right there. Look at it. Oh, is that you? No, that's you. Oh, anyway, guys, that was kind of cool that a fish just popped up right when I was doing that. But anyway, yeah, let's get some fish going. Okay, guys, on the night bite here, got not too bad. I don't know what happened there. Oh, look at this walleye, guys. That's exactly what we're looking for. Beauty. That's exactly what we're looking for. Right on top of the mouth with the homemade hook setter. Come on, get out of there. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, no. Oh yeah, oh no. Stupid hooks. But look at this, you guys. That's what we came for the night bite. Here, let me, there we go. Nice. Can you get it? There we go. Beauty, guys. Check the colors on that. Golden loins. Beauty. Okay, let's get him back there, guys. See you later, buddy. Well, good morning, guys. It is 7:30. The overnighter, 50-50, I guess. Gotta get some other stuff. But not one single bite during the night, which is weird. Got that one last walleye, that was it. But we'll do a couple hours here, pack up and head home. So let's get some breakfast going. Sweet. Well, hey guys, second day. Just got my first fish here on the old jigger. Nice little pike. Come here, buddy. Oh. Slipped. I slipped. Ooh, right on the top of the mouth. Perfect. Oh, let go. It's mine, not yours. There we go. Alright guys, just another nice little pike here. Let's get him back in. See you later, buddy. Oh, what we got, you? What's on there? Oh, we got a pike ski. Watch your head. Watch your head so you don't get hooked. Oh no. Right on the old homemade jaw jacker, guys. But we're going to need some tools, so we'll cut it short. See you later, buds. Oh, yeah.